Hey everybody, it's Chris.
And Joan.
From Chris and Joan's Travels. Hey, we're getting ready to talk about our day 6 of our cruise vlog. This was a sea day, so we kind of kept it kind of mellow. I got up, I went for my normal run around the deck on the deck 17. The lady that was walking backward the other day actually was following the rules today. I thought that was kind of funny. And then we got back and we decided to go have breakfast at the local. Nice standard breakfast, bacon, eggs, potatoes, muffin. Good stuff. The food there was quick, better service in taste in my opinion, but it was good. And then we walked around and explored the ship for a while. We were just looking around at everything. We walked around, probably forward to aft, up on the upper decks. The pool deck, deck 17, we went up by the Vibe Beach Club, the bar there. We looked at the hot tub. We went all the way up, looked down into the Haven. Haven looks nice.
Did you you recorded it all?
I got it all recorded.
So there'll be a video later. Check it out.
Yeah, there you go. And then we went back. We walked all the way back aft and we looked at the go-karts. I was going to drive the go-karts, but come to find out, you have to really have a reservation. There were no spare spaces, they said. So I could have gone back a few hours later. I never got around to going back. And then we decided to have lunch at the American Diner. We used our dining plan there. The lady thought we were a little crazy, but you can do that. You can either pay a la carte, or if you have the dining plan, you get an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert. We had an extra one. We decided to use it, and there was a lot of food, or enough of food.
Yeah, the mozzarella sticks were huge.
You got some pictures of that.
The nachos was a big plate of nachos, and we got a cheeseburger and fries, and that dessert. Oh my gosh!
Yeah, that was a lot.
It was a big ass cheesecake.
We shared, and then we did a little shopping. Joni went down and shopped.
Yeah, so the shopping they had there, when they're at sea, they have the specials. So they have a used to be $10 sale. Now it's a $15 sale. And it used to be 3 for $30. Now it's 2 for $25. So you can get the T-shirts. They have bags and the wraps and things like that. Watches. No, they don't have the watches. They did have watches.
They had watches later that night.
Yeah, but not the $10 watch.
No $10 watch.
But they had some sunglasses that weren't $10, and but yeah, just stuff like that on the big table in the front of the shopping stores. So they have specials for that. So, and they have the T-shirts that are for the ports that we're at. So we did that, and then
While she was doing that, I gambled.
yes, and I got my daily charm. Oh.
And the gambling was no good. The craps table was not good to me this cruise so far. Taking me to the cleaners. Then we decided to go to the spa. Typical afternoon. It was nice down at the spa. The pool deck was very busy yesterday, so that was nice. And then we had dinner at Cagney's, and I had the filet mignon and a nice big baked potato. Oh my God, very good. And we had the chocolate cake for dessert. Would you like to explain your meal?
I had the kids' meal, literally. I had chicken noodle soup and mac and cheese. It was good. Got something to say about it?
Kind of funny, the poor waitress had to go ask her supervisor if it was okay to do that. And the funny thing was, I wouldn't have cared if they'd have charged us for 2 dining plans. They only charged us for the one dining plan.
They didn't charge me for my meal out of the dining plan.
So that was actually pretty good. Yeah, they just charged it regular main dining room type deal.
You can dress me up, but you can't take me out to a nice dinner.
Then we went around, we got some pictures, because they do pictures every night almost. So we got more pictures. We'll see if we buy any of them. And then we went to the adult comedy show in the Social. That was pretty good. The guy was pretty funny again. Different acts. So we've seen 3 comedy shows now, and they've all been different. So pretty good. We've seen 4.
Yeah, and we've seen the same
4.
guys, what? There's 3 times. The other guy once.
Right. So we saw the one guy that we saw last night. We saw him the first night on the big stage. And then the other night we saw him and the cruise, both comedians and the cruise director doing a word show. And then last night we saw him again. And again, the show was different every time, which is nice. And then we went up to a 90s party. We watched some 90s video up on the pool deck. That was okay for a while. And then it was set back to clock day. We were kind of exhausted. It was a long day, so we made it easy.
We were stuffed.
And we were stuffed. There was a lot of food yesterday. A lot of food yesterday. So that was our day 6 at sea. We're going to have one last day. We get to go into Ensenada. It'll be tomorrow. And that'll be our cruise will be almost over.
We're almost over.
But it's been fun so far. I mean, we can't really complain. So this is Chris.
And Joan.
Chris and Joan's Travels.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below.
Have a good day, everybody. Bye.
Bye.